Hi, my name is John Hummel. I'm a Facilities and Maintenance Manager at Leatherman Tool Group, and today I'll be talking about the tools and features of the capable FREE T4. The FREE T4 is a compact tool for everyday use. Because of its size and its attached pocket clip, it slips easily into your pocket. It's available in a variety of colors, so you can match your tool to your style. The FREE T4 has 12 tools, weighs 4.3 ounces, and is 3.6 inches in length. As you handle the T4, you'll notice that the design is made to be used with comfortable handle with no sharp edges, and each tool can be opened and closed with one hand thanks to the FREE technology. This technology allows you to open the tools quickly, smoothly, without the use of fingernails. Each of the tools on the T4 can be opened with one hand, including the straight edge knife blade. To open the knife blade, rotate the blade with your thumb until it locks into place. To close the knife blade, slide the lock over and stow the blade back into the handle. Other tools on the T4 include a wood metal file, small screwdriver, package opener, pry tool, and medium screwdriver. On the other side, you'll find spring action scissors, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, awl, extra small screwdriver, and handy pair of tweezers. Each of the tools can be opened by pressing on the tool here. With the pad of your thumb, press until the tools pop out of the handle. Pick the implement you want to use while stowing the others. The tools lock into place, then can be unlocked and placed back into the handle after use. To access the tweezers, locate the tab on the handle and pull the tweezers out. Once you're done, they can be stowed back into the handle. The FREE T4 is backed with our 25-year warranty. For more information about the T4 or any of our multi-purpose products, visit leatherman.com.